Ready to ditch those high phone bills? Today, we're unlocking your affordable wireless life by setting up your brand new Cricket wireless service, fresh from Walmart. First, unbox your new Cricket wireless phone from Walmart. Inside, you'll find your phone, the SIM card, and some essential paperwork. Make sure to check that everything listed on the box is actually inside. Now, locate the SIM card tray on your phone. Use the provided SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to gently open the tray and insert the Cricket wireless SIM card. Make sure it clicks in place properly, and then close the tray. Next, you'll need to activate your service. Head to the Cricket wireless activation website. The link is in the description, or call the activation number, which can also be found on the paperwork inside the box. You'll be guided through choosing a Cricket wireless plan that suits your needs and budget. They have a variety of plans, so take your time and select the best one. If you're keeping your current phone number, you'll need to provide the necessary information during the activation process. Have your account number and PIN from your previous carrier handy. Once your service is active, create an online Cricket wireless account. This allows you to easily manage your plan, make payments, and track your data usage. Running into snags? Check the Cricket wireless website for facts, or contact their customer support team. The MyCricket app is also a great resource. Purchasing from Walmart can often get you special deals, so make sure you ask about those. And that's it. You're now set up with Cricket wireless from Walmart. Enjoy the savings and stay connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Let me know in the comments what you think about Cricket.